What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I am filming this on the Osmo Action right now, and doing that for a couple reasons. But more importantly, we're going to do a night drive in the M6. So you probably can't even really see me right now because it is super low light in here, and there is a very specific reason I am doing this vlog on this camera. Not because that's what I bought this Osmo Action for, but because I think I need, look, I've only put out probably like 6 vlogs using this Osmo Action, but I really do think that I already need to step up my my vlog game as far as quality of content. And the reason being is because, God, I'm looking at the little front screen right now and I can't even see me. So I apologize in advance. I might not even use this footage, but we'll see. But I think I need to step up my quality of my content because I'm a professional photographer and filmmaker. So therefore, I feel like it's like sacrilegious for me to have such low quality content for you guys when all my other content, in my opinion, is pretty damn good. So I need you guys to tell me in the comments below if you think, I think this is gonna be like a unanimous decision here, but I think you guys need to let me know in the comments if you think I should not be vlogging on the Osmo Action, especially because I think I'm gonna start doing a lot more night vlogs. So if I'm doing night vlogs, this camera definitely isn't gonna cut it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, because I may or may not be getting a new vlogging camera that recently came out, that was released, that I'm sure a lot of people are getting or have already gotten. And I think it's kind of exactly what I've been looking for. So anyways, back to what we're doing tonight. Tonight, we're going on a little night drive with my friend Jonesy, and we're just gonna go cruise around Beverly Hills and West Hollywood and see what kind of shenanigans we can get into. Okay, so my apologies for interrupting that vlog. I just had to, because there's no way I could have kept vlogging last night with the way that footage was. After I filmed that clip that you just saw, I looked it over and I couldn't believe how dark it was. You couldn't even see my face. All you could see was like the logo on my hoodie that I was wearing. But I mean, I get it. I was in my car, it was dark at night, there's no lights in my car, so you can't see it. But there's no way I can continue to vlog the way that I want to vlog with this camera, being that I want to do, you know, nighttime vlogs when I'm out in the car, and, you know, going out for drives and car meetups and all that kind of stuff, and even just regular vlogs. So being that this channel is driven towards cars and cameras, and I'm kind of playing around with the idea of naming this channel Cars and Cameras, or Cameras and Cars. I think Cameras and Cars kind of has a ring to it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm trying to come up with a name for this channel because, you know, being that I'm a photographer and filmmaker, but I'm also a car nut, and I'm trying to do a lot more car vlogs, I want to change the name of it that's kind of more focused on that. So I'm thinking about Cameras and Cars. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions, put them in the comments below. So being that this footage just isn't acceptable to my standards as far as like the kind of content that I want to put out, I decided to order a camera. I'm not gonna tell you what camera that is, but I'm super excited about it. It's a brand new camera that's gonna do everything that I need it to do, I think. So it's not gonna be here for like another week and a half, and the next couple of vlogs might be still with the Osmo Action, and this Saramonic mic that I'm using on it right now, I think is really good, and I might try to use it on the new camera as well, even though the new camera is supposed to have pretty good internal audio. So we'll see. But for now, I'm with the Osmo Action, and I was thinking about selling the Osmo Action, but I think I'm gonna keep it because this would be a really good camera for mounting to the side of the car, mounting to the windshield, mounting to the back of the car, stuff like that. Or just like, you know, if you look at my Instagram, link below, or right here, take a look at it.
you'll see a couple photos that I've taken with the Osmo Action. It takes really good photos actually, as long as it's like daytime and really good light. Being that it takes like good photos and it's a super wide angle, and I can put it in places that I wouldn't feel comfortable putting like a more expensive camera. And this is super durable, and it's an action camera, and it's meant to be used in more action settings. I think I'm gonna hang on to it and use it for the purpose that it's made for. So I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna use it for what it's made for, which is action, and which is, you know, mounting to obscure places and getting cool content. Because I think it's still a really amazing camera, just not for nighttime vlogging. Daytime vlogging, it's been really great. Nighttime vlogging, not so much. So my apologies that I didn't bring you guys along more with the drive last night. It was a lot of fun. We drove around Beverly Hills and West Hollywood, and it was cool. But let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below, because I really would love some feedback as far as what I should name this channel, and maybe like what kind of content you guys want to see. If you guys want to see like car spotting content, or if you guys want to see some racing content, or some traveling content, or, you know, car modification content, or all the above, just let me know. Let me know what you guys think. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you know when I post a new video. So that's all I got for today. This was a quick video because I had to cut that one in half almost. But thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.